Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your time with Trello detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Trello account or creating a new one if you haven't already. Once you're in, create a new board by clicking on the Create New Board button. Name your board something relevant to your project or time management goals. Customize the background and visibility settings according to your preference. Begin by creating lists to represent different stages of your tasks, such as to do, in progress, and completed. Next, include detailed descriptions for each card to clarify what needs to be done. Utilize checklists within each card to break tasks down into smaller, actionable steps. Set due dates on cards to help prioritize urgent tasks. Assign labels to categorize your cards by type or project, making them easier to sort and find later. If you're collaborating with others, invite team members to your board by clicking the Invite button. Use the comments section on each card to communicate updates, ideas, or questions related to that task. Regularly review and update the status of your cards by dragging them through the lists as you progress. Consider using Power UPS to add additional features like calendar views or integration with other apps. Utilize Trello's automation tools, such as Butler, to automate repetitive tasks and save time. Set up notifications to keep track of changes and deadlines associated with your tasks. Periodically, evaluate your workflow and adjust your lists and cards as needed to stay organized. Stay consistent with your Trello usage to ensure it becomes an effective tool for time management. By following these steps, you can protect your time and enhance your productivity with Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.